Hi friend! Ayan, medyo maingay na outside. It's a Sunday here in the Philippines. But let's continue our lesson. Men are from Mars and women are from Venus. So yung lesson natin today is learning to listen. So kasi no, kumbaga yung man natin, they would like to solve our problem. So sabi nga example today ni Sir John Gray, yung si Tom and Mary. So, pagdating ni Mary galing sa work, she was sharing how, sabi niya, there is so much to do. I don't have the time for myself. So, sabi naman ito, you should quit that job. You don't have to work so hard. Find something you like to do. Sabi naman ni Mary, but I like my job. They expect me to change everything at a moment's notice. Sabi ni Tom, don't listen to them. Just do what you can do. I am, sabi naman ni Mary. I can't believe I completely forgot to call my aunt today. Sabi ni Tom, don't worry, she'll understand. Mary, don't you know she's going through? She needs me. Sabi ni Tom, you worry too much, that's why you're so unhappy. Sabi naman ng Mary, I'm not always unhappy. Can't you just listen to me? So, I'm listening. Sabi. Why do I even bother? Sabi ni Mary. So, yun, parang the conversation is not good kasi Tom was trying to find a solution to the problem of Mary. But si Mary is just looking for someone to listen to her. So sabi nga niya, sa Venus daw, where Mary came from, um, Venusians never offer solution when someone is talking. A way of honoring another Venusian is to listen patiently with empathy, seeking truly to understand the other's feelings. So sometimes what we're looking for is not the solution, but someone to listen to our feelings, our emotion for the day. So sabi naman dito, no, parang eventually they learn how to listen, or Tom learned to listen and Mary tried to adjust to. So sabi niya, in summary, a man tries to change a woman's feelings when she is upset by becoming Mr. Fix It and offering solution to her problem that invalidate her feelings. Number two, a woman tries to change a man's behavior when he makes mistake by becoming home improvement committee and offering unsolicited advice or criticism. So yan, let's try to adjust to each other's need para we will have better communication and better home environment. Thank you for watching. See you on our next video.